Hi everyone, I am Shaukat from Kerala. I hope you have a nice day today. Today I am going to talk about importance of reading. So many people have doubt if we learn English, is it important reading habit? In my opinion, when we learn English, how important listening speaking the same important has reading also, because reading when we read English content we can understand the sentence structure and grammar rules, and we get the natural flow when we speak with other people. That's why reading is very important when we learn English. And but people, most of the people don't know, especially beginners, what kind of things they can read. In my opinion, we can select English stories, because story creators use only simple words and simple sentences. That's why when we speak with others, we can use the story sentences. In story sentences, we can use. That's why if we read English story, it is very helpful to speak. So we can select English stories, and we should read the same story multiple times. This also very good, because we can understand the sentence, and we can understand the grammar rules, and we get the natural flow also. And nowadays we don't need to buy stories books from outside, because nowadays so many stories available YouTube. If we search from YouTube, we get so many story links from YouTube. And another idea, we can follow the same story link continuously, because different people, they make sentence a different level. That's why if we follow the same person story continuously, we can understand the story very easily. That's why we can follow the same story continuously. It's also very good habit. But so many people have habit, newspaper reading habit. But newspaper reading habit also good, but newspaper they use advanced vocabulary. That's why when we make basic conversation with others, that time it is not useful. Newspaper vocabulary is not useful. That's why especially beginners, they can follow simple sentence stories. That's good, because when they speak that time they can use the simple sentences stories vocabulary. It's very useful, helpful. If you uh, if you read English stories consistently, you get so many useful sentences from stories you can follow. And when you get more fluency, after you can start to read newspaper or other articles. But beginning time, you can follow English stories. Nowadays if you search from Google, you get different types of story. From YouTube, you can utilize this kind of story, and you can practice consistently. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet again. Thank you so much. Bye.